Alright, I wanted to show you guys my version of Doug DeMaw's Barebones Superhet. This was in QST in June 1982. I built mine many years later. It's been gathering dust in the workshop, but I blew the dust off and I'm preparing to put it back on the air. This is obviously the back view. Here I have a little RF amplifier stage. DeMaw had this in his design as optional. I built it and it seemed to improve performance a lot. Next we have the mixer that was the original front end. It's 40673 dual gate MOSFET. Back over here you see the variable crystal oscillator. Just a crystal, and I have it I think at around, I think it's 17 megs or something like that. And this is a cap, a variable capacitor on the front end, and that wiggles the frequency of the crystal to give you tuning range. The crystal oscillator mixes with the incoming signal here in the 40673 dual gate MOSFET mixer, and then it goes into this section here, which is the homemade ladder filter using 3.579 megahertz crystals. These are known as color burst crystals. They were produced in the millions for color TVs, and I bought a big bag of them. Anyway, made the filter out of that. Behind it, you'll see a little switching arrangement that I worked out. That's a diode switching mechanism. I was just kind of intrigued by the use of diodes as switches, and I set up a system whereby with a front panel switch I can basically put a jumper across the filter and allow the signal to go through without being filtered by the crystals. It's kind of fun sometimes in a weird kind of way. After that, over on this board we have another 40673 as an IF amplifier, the IF being at 3.579 megahertz, of course. And then from there it goes to a stage that's known as the product detector, and this has a beat frequency oscillator at around 3.579, a little bit above or below depending what sideband you're listening to, and then that mixes in the product detector to produce audio. The audio then goes to this stage, which is the audio frequency amplifier, and then it goes up to the speaker and out, and we can listen to it. And if you'll just stand by for a second, I'll turn this thing around. Maybe we can actually listen to something. Okay, that's what it looks like up front. Pretty snazzy cabinet, don't you think? Let's see.